3, 2, 1, start. We are meeting here this morning on the historic occasion of the visit of the Premier of the State Council of the People's Republic of China to India. Full stop. We welcome His Excellency, his wife, and his distinguished delegation as representatives of a great country. Full stop. Change paragraph. Excellency, you and Madam are visiting us 30 years after the visit of your late Premier. Full stop. Much has happened in these decades. Full stop. There was an unfortunate period between us. Full stop. Our initial closeness and the momentum of our mutual endeavor were lost. Full stop. Differences over the border created serious strains in our relationship. Full stop. This was regrettable for our two countries, for our two peoples, and for the world. Full stop. During the last decade, both our government have taken concrete steps to resume our dialogue and our cooperation in various fields. Full stop. It is the future that beckons to us. Full stop. Goodwill and sensitivity to each other's problems can show us the way. Full stop. Change paragraph. We are neighbors. Full stop. Our thoughts and our cultures have intermixed with each other through history. Full stop. This combination of influence, art, and culture enriched our civilizations. Full stop. There is a lesson to be learned from this, from our ancient interconnection, for it conveys the importance of good neighborly relations and fruitful dialogue, of peace and progress, which should shape our relations. Full stop. Change paragraph. We face common tasks and common challenges in a world in rapid change. Full stop. The government and people of India sincerely desire to strengthen our understanding and cooperation with China. Full stop. We wish to endure our relationship as two countries which stand for peace and development. Full stop. My government is committed to seeking a fair and reasonable solution to the boundary question, which is in consonance with the dignity and self-respect of each country. Full stop. I believe that our two sides find such a solution through peaceful means. Full stop. I believe that future generation of our people should not find either of thus wanting in this regard. Full stop. Our approach must necessarily be positive and practical. It must take into account historical data, tradition, and custom, and also present realities, full stop. Above all, we must find a lasting solution within the framework of national interest and sentiments of both sides. Full stop. Change paragraph. Mutual cooperation between our two countries during the last few years, making it possible for us to revive a vision of common interest which shaped our relations in the early years of our emergency as truly independent countries. Full stop. It has helped us identify patterns of similarity. It has helped us exchange information about our experiences in the fields of development, culture, sports, science, and technology, education, commerce, and industry. Full stop. The vast potential for our corporation is being gradually activated. Full stop. Much more needs to be done. Full stop. Our joint effort will hopefully improve the further substance to our relations in these fields. Full stop. Change paragraph. Your visit, Excellency, readdress and revives the ancient tradition of creativity, integrates to the establishment of new channels of corporation. Full stop. Let us fulfill our respective national destinies in corporation with each other. Full stop. The corporation and friendship of Asia's two large test countries would be powerful and enduring factor in promotion of peace and stability in our continent and the world as a whole. Full stop. Let all human races keep their personalities and yet come together not in the unity that is deal but in unity that is living. Full stop. We have every confidence that your present visit will be remembered by our people for long time. Full stop. Change paragraph. Dear sir, we have just now received your letter of the 10th instant and we are sorry to notice that your ceiling fan manufactured by us has given you trouble and caused you a lot of inconvenience. Full stop. At the outset, we take this opportunity to point out special care we take before our appliances are delivered to our customers. Full stop. Immediately on manufacture, each and every part of the fan is checked up and again before it is actually delivered. It is tested against any possible defect. Full stop. We cannot therefore understand in the least how the trouble could have occurred. Full stop. Change paragraph. You are, of course, quite wrong in thinking that we do not care once we have had your money. Full stop. We care very much indeed, for we would like every user of our fan to have the utmost confidence in them and enjoy using them. Full stop. If you will be good enough to send your fan to us, we will check it thoroughly and either repair it free of charge if the fan was defective. We both or tell you what is the case of trouble and how much it will cost to remedy the defect. Full stop. Change paragraph. We hope you will consider this a perfectly fair offer and an indication, if such were necessary, of our desire that those who buy the fans of the company shall be fully satisfied with them. Full stop. Change paragraph, assuring you of best and prompt attention at all times. Yours faithfully.